Welcome back to the channel. Writing API tests is one of the most important but also one of the most boring parts of our job. It's repetitive, it's tedious, and it's easy to miss things. But what if AI could do it for you? Today we are putting the three biggest AI coding assistants to the ultimate test to see which one is truly the best at writing API tests. And the results were not what I expected. Here are the contenders. First, the reigning champion, GitHub Copilot, the AI pair programmer that lives in Visual Studio Code or VS Code. Second, the specialist Postman's Postbot, the AI assistant built directly into Postman itself. And third, the powerful free contender Codeium, which also works right inside VS Code. The challenge is simple. I'm going to use a basic GET request to get a request to the dummyjson.com products.1. This is a URL path that I'm going to use. It can be anything, but here for testing purposes. So this is a working API and the GET works fine here. And I will give each AI the exact same prompt. And this is the prompt. I will copy the prompt and show it to you. This is the prompt that I am going to use, and this is the prompt. As you can see, the prompt is write Postman test for this response. Check that the status code is 200, the title property is a string, the price is a number, and images array is not empty. I'm going to give this exact prompt, same prompt, to all of the three AI, and let's see what happens. Let the battle begin. First up, let's take the GitHub Copilot, and you can see this is a Visual Studio, and the GitHub Copilot is right here. And let me paste the exact script and then the prompt, and let's see. So it's fast, it's generating the code. It looks good. It uses pm.test. That looks correct, and it created a one for the status code, and it created another one to check the title, and another one to check the price, and finally for images. This is clean, it's accurate, and it did exactly what I want. This is a strong start. I can copy this code and post it in Postman's test tab, and let's see. So here is the script, and here is the output from the Copilot, and let's see the hit, and you see all the tests pass. This is a great start. So solid A plus performance. Now for our specialist Postman's Postbot. Let's clear everything here, and then I am here in the Postman, and let's copy our prompt that we have here, the same prompt, and you can activate you can open the Postbot here, and it says tell Postbot what to do, and we are going to paste the exact script and submit. So it's working. So if we go to the script section, you can see here the Postbot generated the full suite of tests. It tests the status code and everything. So let's send it and then test it and see the same test passing here. So this is another good power. This is a raw power and convenience right inside Postman, and this is amazing. And for following specific instructions to what I gave, it's little less precise. And finally, let's look at our third contender, Codeium, and you can see here the Codeium is the Windsurf, as it is called today. The Codeium is actually the Windsurf. The name got changed, and this is the actual interface inside the VS Code. And let's paste the same prompt here, just like with Copilot we did. So back in the VS Code, so we have the Codeium panel and everything, and let's see what is the output. So it says, I am happy to help you to write Postman test. Could you please share the response you would like to write the test for? So let me go ahead and take the response here and then paste it, and let's see what it does now. So let's paste the same prompt here, and here you go. It generated the clean accurate code again. The pm.test, check the response, the title, the number, and the images array. So the fact that this Codeium tool is completely free for individual developers is just insane. And you can see and compare both the things. They have almost the similar output generated. So what's the final verdict? Honestly, it's shockingly close. There is no single best tool because they excel in different ways. So here is my conclusion. For raw brute force test generation right inside Postman, it's very convenient. Postbot is the winner. The convenience of just clicking a button right inside Postman and then getting a full test suite is unmatched. But if you want an AI that follows your instructions precisely and you're already working in VS Code, it's a dead heat. And you can see the GitHub Copilot is fantastic if you already have a subscription. But if you're looking for a free tool that performs at the exact same level as the paid industry leader, then the winner for me has to be Codeium, the Windsurf, aka Windsurf. The value is just unbeatable. You can even compare the output of this free tool and that of the paid Copilot. You can see the output is the same, quick, clean, accurate. The value is just unbeatable. So which AI tools are you using? Did I miss a great one? Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I will see you in another video. Goodbye.